Hello, I am Marc Ketelaars and I'm responsible for sustainability within our construction and consumer business unit within Bostik. Within our CNC business unit, we have therefore created our strategy based on 4 fundamentals. The first one, the fundamental, is compliance, meaning all our products are compliant to ensure also the well-being of our customers and end users. The second is on packaging. We have to reduce the environmental footprint on our packaging. For this year, for instance, we introduced 16 million cartridges into the CNC market based on PCR, plastic packaging. The third one is operations, reducing the energy waste and the waste in general. For this, we have done a lot of factories with LED lighting, changed boiler settings, change the boilers itself, compressor, etc. in order to reduce the energy intensity and the carbon footprint. The fourth one is innovation. We have to bring more circularity in our products. We launch within construction and consumer an awareness program, which is meaning, when you stop at work, put the lights off of your office or your factory or whatever you are, ensure that your computer is being shut off, also not in standby mode. And the third one, shut off the air conditioning or the heat. We have to ensure for ourselves, for our children and the children of our children, that especially they are not going to fight against a future climate crisis. Our future depends on what we do now, so let's make us the change.